In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your DSers account to AliExpress. So first, make sure you are on the official website of DSers.com and already logged in with your credentials, but if you don't have one yet, you can create one for free. So once you're logged in, you can look for the AliExpress. So that is the first options, but the second option is heading over to the official website of AliExpress and sign in with your account in here. So in this case, I'm going to create an account. So click continue and then wait for it to load up. And as you can see, I have successfully created an account here in AliExpress. So now let's head over to the settings. So click the settings and then make sure you choose the accounts. So now under the AliExpress section, you'll see a button that says authorize in here. So click on that and then you'll be redirected to aliexpress.com and then log into your AliExpress buyer account and make sure you're using the one you'll be placing orders with. So after logging in, AliExpress will ask you to confirm access for DSers. So click authorize to give DSers permissions to manage orders, access, shipping info, and sync products. So once you're redirected back to DSers, you'll see a success message in there, and this means your DSers account is now officially linked to your AliExpress account. So make sure you stay logged into AliExpress when fulfilling orders through DSers. So this helps avoid sync issues or login attempts. And that's it. So you've now connected DSers to AliExpress and you're ready to start importing and fulfilling orders with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.